Hello my lovely crafters, my paper dolls still celebrating holidays, so today I plan to make for them gingerbread house. So let's do this! I will use brown poster board, pens, hot glue and paintings. I start with making a simple pattern on my poster board. Then I cut it out and also cut the roof lines. So we have this pattern. Then with white paint I start to draw decoration of the house. It is very easy and interesting, and the most wonderful part is that you can't spoil it. All the patterns will look nice. I paint windows with gold pen and my house almost ready. I glue it on a poster board and cut it out. So we need to make a roof. I glue it with hot glue side by side. My roof is not perfect, but it is time to forget about perfection and just do it. I add hot glue on the roof for some dimension, and while waiting it to dry, let's make some trees. I draw it in a simple way and I also draw some design on it. When everything is ready, let's cut it out. I trim the excess of my stand of the house and add a little bit more hot glue because when we paint it, I want it to look like snow. On the next step we glue trees. And now it is time to paint the roof with white paint. I also paint the stand and some small details on the house. While waiting it to dry, let's make one more decoration. I cut out from poster board another small pattern of houses with different types of roofs. I fold it in an accordion style and just draw the design on houses with white paint the same way as we did before. This is the most easy craft of all that I made today. We can put it on the fireplace. Our house is ready and it is a little bit big for my room, but it is not a problem. I take a stand for ribbon and I paint it red, and I add a ribbon to decorate it, so we have a table. And also I want to decorate my house with some stickers. I think with stickers it will be more interesting, and we can put our house in the room. I made one more simple house and I plan to put it on the table. And this is it. Now my dolls have gingerbread houses of any size and they can enjoy their holidays. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell so you won't miss any of my future crafting adventures. Make paper dolls with joy, and I hope to see you in my next videos. Bye!